Hello everyone. Today I want to test a very scientific proposition. My hypothesis is that these awful things get plugged in wrong most of the time because they are specifically made to do so. Today I present to you my very scientific USB plug-in study. So for 1 week I filmed every time I plugged in a USB cord anywhere. I'm going to be using this handy dandy chart to keep track of our results. Oh my god. Well, I didn't expect that. But now you can see we've got one little dash. At the end there will be 10 total. Based on my results, I think it's safe to conclude that I was definitely right and that USB cords are part of a massive conspiracy to make people lose precious moments of their lives. And we must fight back against it.